Hello everybody, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will know how to create a vertical animated with only CSS and HTML. The code as usual will be linked in the description, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now and like the video if you like it. So let's go to the code and see what we have. First I will create here an HTML file. I will see new HTML. I'll call it loading 17. And over here, we'll create the elements I have, for example, div, which is the container. I'll call it class container. And over here, I will create 5 divs. For example, I will see div 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. And I will create here a style sheet file. I will see style sheet, and I will name it style. Great. After that, I will create the styles I have here, for example. Let's link those files together firstly. I will see here link, and href is style sheet, type is text, CSS, and the rel is style sheet. Great. Now I will create the coding style over here. I will see body. The body is margin is 0. Sorry, I forgot about y. Here we should create y. And okay, the margin would be also, the padding would be 0 the background. I will choose a background. See background color, let's see that color or darker. And over here, see position is absolute. And we have from top to be, let's see top, and it would be 50%. From left 50%. And we have the transform, translate, and let's say it would be negative 50%, and also negative 50%. Great. After that, we will go to the the next element, which would be the container, class container, and inside this class we need the div inside it. So every div inside this container will be, the width is 50 pixel and the height also 50 pixel, and we will control the radius. So that they could be a circle. I will see border radius, and I will see it's 50%. Also the animated, I will see the animation, animate A1 we could see, and we could call it 2 seconds, linear, infinite. Great. After that, we will create the keyframes we have it for these elements. I will see here add keyframes for the A1, which is the animated, we have it over there. And over here, I will create the the keyframes. I will see here from 0% and from 40%, and let's see 100%. We need this element to be the scale, to control the scale. Let's see transform, scale, and let's say scale, we have E, and here I will say it would be from 0 to 2. Okay, then we will duplicate this element. I will say Ctrl D, and over here I will say it's from 20%. Let's see here 20, and this I will delete it. Okay, I need to scale to be 1. So now if we refresh and double click the element over here, we'll see how is the whole element is working. I'm sorry, we missed something. Maybe we haven't linked them together. Okay, container could be this element over here, and paste it. Okay, container div. So the div inside this container. Refresh. Not yet. Wait, the body, and okay, the container, the div inside the container. We need them. Oh, we forgot the background. To show them now, I will say background color. Let's say any color. No, not that color, because it's the background color. Okay, that color. When we refresh now, they would be like they are working all together at the same time. We don't need that thing. We need it only to work with a delay. I means one element works and the other goes after one another. So I will see here, the container, the div inside that container with child, we'll see nth child1. We need this element to get the following. So the first sign would be the animation delay, and I will say it would be -0.2 second, so it would delay that amount of time. Then we'll see the background. We will set the background to be any background we need. We'll see that background. Then we would need the box shadow. I will see box shadow for and I will set the box shadow over here. I will say 0 and 0 from the other side. I need to be 50 pixel and with the following color, which we will create it. Let's see, any color. Okay, I'll change the color and the elements over now. Okay, so we have missed here another F. Save it. Let's refresh over here and see what we have. Okay, only the element is working. Now I'll double key these elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should have here 5 elements, so they would be the same. So the first would be, this is second, and this is the third, that one is the fourth, and this is the fifth. Okay, I will increment this animation delay with 2, so it would be 4. Over here it would be 6, and over here it would be 8, and here we would be 1.0. Great. Now let's refresh over here. Okay, we need to change the color. I will come here and change this color to be, for example, red, and let's say it would be a little bit darker, and we will choose this to choose the color. I will see here red, lighter. Next color we'll choose to be, for example, green, a little bit darker. Choose, let's change this color. Let's see, green but a little bit lighter. Then here I'll change this color to be blue, for example, and let's see, it would be a little bit darker. And you could do this with all the elements over there, even if you have many elements that you want. So let's see, it would be a little bit darker. Choose it. Then over here I will see this color should be lighter, so choose it. We have the last one. I would say it would be the same color of this, but it would be a little bit lighter. Great. Let's choose, save, and now refresh. Okay, they are, the background is a little bit lighter, should be a little bit darker. See that one, and let's choose that color. Okay, save, refresh, and now is the work we have did. So I think it's enough here, and you could manipulate these things. You could say it could be horizontal, controlling these elements to be in line, and whatever you want. So thanks for listening and watching, and see you again. Bye for now.